Hello guys, I'm Jorge Bartra, here tutor at Content Learning LLC, and today we're going to talk about another Blitz question, which is how to convert from moles into molecules. So we did one where we converted atoms into moles, but now we're going to go from moles into molecules. So in this case, the question is a little bit weird, but that's a question that was given by one of our students, so we're going to go ahead and solve it here. So in this case, they ask, how many molecules in 0.63 moles of molecules? What? Well, it's very easy. It looks like they just wanted to ask how many molecules are in 0.63 moles, but they wanted to specify that is of molecules. So let's do this one quickly here. So like I said in the previous video, we're going to start with the given. In this case, they give us 0.63 moles. So we're going to go ahead and say, okay, we start with 0.63 moles. I'm just going to put MOL. And that's a given, right? So we want to go into molecules. So question, if we're going from moles into molecules, what do you think you could use as a direct conversion? Do we have a direct conversion? The answer is yes. We do have a direct conversion. What will be that conversion? Well, we understand that 1 mole can be into 6.022 times 10 to the 23, anything, right? You can say I have 6.022 times 10 to the 23 hot dogs, 6.022 times 10 to the 23 cars, you know. It's just a way of saying, oh, okay, well, I want to make this big number into something smaller. So in this case, they're giving you that smaller, which is 0.63 mole. So that's the reason why we start with that. And now that we know that we can use a direct conversion, I'm going to make my T-chart here. Sorry if that was a little bit slanted. Let me just quickly erase that. So we start with 0.63 mole, and we make a nice T-chart here. And like I said, well, we want to put the unit that we want to cancel at the bottom. So I'm going to put mole. And then the unit that we want to go into at the top. So we know we want to go from mole to molecules. So just like that, I start molecules at the top. And now I say, okay, I know 1 mole is 6.022 times 10 to the 23 of anything, right? In this case, molecules. So I'm going to write here 1 mole at the bottom, and then at the top I'm going to write 6.022 times 10 to the 23 molecules. And just like that, you can cancel your units, mole and mole. So like I said in the previous video, you want to write here at the bottom the unit that you want to cancel with the one at the top, right? In a diagonal, as they are in diagonal here. That's what you want to do. And then you're left with the unit that you want to stay with at the top, which is in this case molecules. So now we use our calculator and we multiply 0.63 times 6.022 times 10 to the 23. And at the bottom we have, well, again, that's a 1 that is given. There's always a 1 below any number. We write 1 times 1. And we have now, if I use my calculator here, we have 0.63 times 6.022 times 10 to the 23. That gives me a total of 3.8 times 10 to the 23 over 1, which we can just say that this is 3.8 times 10 to the 23 molecules. Because remember, we stayed with our unit molecules. Here it will also be molecules. And that is how you go from moles into molecules. So I hope that you have enjoyed this session. I tried to make it below 5 minutes. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you would like to comment or you have any questions, please put it in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.